Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to save PowerPoint file laptop. Let's open the PowerPoint presentation. In the upper left corner, you can click on the Save icon. In addition to this, access the File menu and you can use the Save or Save as option. In the available options, you can save it locally or in the cloud if you wish. Select where the file will be saved, enter the desired name, and click Save. Finally, validate that the file has been saved correctly. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.